Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. And today we are working on a Civic. So what we got planned for today is getting rid of this old garbage steering wheel, and we're gonna upgrade it to an NRG quick release setup. So first things first, while trying to get out this whole steering wheel, is to make sure you disconnect your battery terminal so this airbag doesn't have any power going to it. All right, so you go over to your engine bay. Since I already got it knocked out the way and unbolted, I'm just take it off like that. All right, so that's your first step. Now the next step is sorry about that. Next step is taking out this right here. That is one of these tabs. Both of these, they're going to be two tabs on both ends, and you're going to see a T30 Torx bit, and you take off both of those torque bits on either end. There's another one over here right there. Remove that tab, and then you can remove this airbag right here. So until the next clip, I'm gonna get to work. So anytime you guys working around airbags, you always want to put on safety goggles. So let's get it. You know, I'm using a DeWalt today with my little extension and my little bit in there, my little T30. Let's see how this works. And there we go, T30. Well, looks like it's lost in there. So let me see. Let me see if I can knock off this. Get some space to work with my fingers here. Alright guys, I can't do this with one hand, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause it for here. Pause it for now, my bad. So guys, what you want to do with this is push up and it'll pop out. Alright guys, you want to push up on this. You can do it with one hand. Push up, take that off, and then go after this right here, press down. Oops, didn't explode on me, thank God. And there you go, there's the airbag. Now with this right here, this is a 19, I believe. So what you want to do, get out your gun, get out your ratchet, whatever you're going to use, and just take it off to where it sits on the edge. And then you want to tug on the wheel back and forth until it pops out of place. All right guys, till the next clip. All right, guys, so I got this 19 deep socket Harbor Freight Special, Pittsburgh. Let's see. Try to hold the steering wheel straight with your legs. If you're doing this with one hand, and bust it out. Keep it right there. Keep it right there. Try to wiggle this back and forth. It ain't working with one hand. Hell fucking not. Here we go. Keep her straight, keep her straight. Put her back in, keep her straight. You're 19. Keep her straight. Now, some people cut this. I'm not gonna put on air. I'm not gonna put on a horn or none of that. So what I'm gonna try to do is take off this right here, this clock spring, and then now there's some wires running all the way back down under the dash somewhere, and I'm gonna try to find that and unplug that so I don't have to cut anything and keep this. Hopefully I can get in this tight space to show you guys exactly where that clip is and how to take it off. But now I'm gonna have to take off this cover. So there's one screw right here. I think on most cars, most 96 2000s, it should be a Phillips. But what this one over here on mine is a nut or a bolt. I don't know. Maybe they took it off before and they lost it. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. So guys, it's a 8mm. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust that out. I guess they found a replacement. 8mm. Maybe they lost it before. Look at that. There we go. Drop that down there. Let me get out my Phillips. It's a Phillips. So store those away somewhere, you know you could keep track of it. Now back to this right here. See how easy this bust out. There's something I'm missing. There must be another one somewhere. Oh yeah, there's one right there. All this stuff's so easy to remove. It's like they did some work back here. It's 100% stock. What old granny was doing with this car, man. I know this thing is split apart. Try to keep it straight as possible. Anyways, it's coming off. Nothing like a little force. Nothing don't seem to be broken. Drop that over there. No seem to be broken. Sometimes a little bit of rough love, you know. All right, so now you gotta knock out these 3 screws right here. Try to drop this. So clock spring out the way. God dang. So now this is that wire I was talking about. Now there's some way to get in here, right? You can see I'm tugging on this and that's moving right there. So I'm gonna get down there and try to figure out where this connects to. So it can be a clean removal. And then you just throw on your NRG. See, you can look at Granny. Granny got all her hair up in here, man. She got up her hair up in here, bro. Appreciate that one on Ricardo, Granny. All right, till the next clip, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So it really took some finessing to try to get this harness out of the area that it was back here. I don't know if you can see it. It mounts right here where that white tab is, and it mounts onto this is sort of kind of clip. So I try to like poke at it with a with a little screwdriver, and I got it out somehow. And with this one now, it's the same, I believe. You just push or pull towards you, or you push. What is it? Which one is it? There we go. Pull apart, and there you go. Now you can pull out this. You ain't connected to nowhere else. I think it might be connected to something else down here. Let me see what's going on. Alright, so it's connected to some other shit. So let me see, go ahead and see what I need to get in there. I'm thinking it's the horn wire now. So let me see if I can get out this whole harness. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I tugged on it. This is the little harness right here. It should be connected to the horn. This is for your horn stuff. If you want to link up your horn, you'll keep this wire right here, cut it somewhere, and then run something else. But we're not doing that today. We don't need no horn. You just rev them at them. Nah, I'm just kidding. Got somebody with a Z coming through. Check out this guy right here. Z. It's that Z shit. It's that Z shit. Anyways, guys. Let it go. And it should pull through. Now you got your whole clock spring out. You know what I'm saying? You get your whole clock spring out. You could put that back in if you want later on. Whatever you want to do. Now for here, turn off the airbag light. Apparently you need some kind of resistor. I'm guessing it's going in the back there or something. But I'm fine with the airbag light coming on whenever. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, let's move on to the next, yeah? Alright guys, so I got the hub right here. Now you want this top with the dot to be facing up, right? Watch out, it's greasy on the back. Let's hope these people sent me the right one. Just like that. Hey, just like that. Hey, just like that. Seem to be straight. So now you bust on your nut. Don't go busting no nut now. You gotta lock the nut. Let me see if I can do this with one hand without moving this. Put my knee right here. Lock it. Now you're supposed to torque this. Come on, man. Oh, shit. Alright, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take it off for a little bit, alright? You got to hold it and try to lock it down. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. She's straight. She locked in. She torqued. She good. Now I got my quick release right here. Comes with stickers, a bunch of stuff, booklet. And I got that carbon fiber baddie right here. And I believe this dot right here is the dot to line up that dot, right? Dot, 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 dot. Make sure you get all this stuff in here. If you run in the horn. Sorry, this ain't the video for you. Maybe not now. Maybe I'll set up the horn later on. So you're gonna get this hole right here aligned with that hole right there. It's holes like that, right? So now you gotta take off this piece right here, this piece right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust that out, throw it on there with the provided stuff that's in there. I don't know if you can see it, but they provided a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So guys, this is how it looks. This is the little thing for the horn. If you want to hook up a horn, we won't be using none of that, but we will be using this hardware. And they do give you an Allen key to link everything up. Track use only, guys. Track use. Alright? Nah, we street using it. It's for the streets right here. go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna continue. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after you go ahead and tighten down your little hub, tighten down the quick release part to the hub, my bad, go ahead and put back on your little covers, and then you get your quick release onto your whatever wheel you're using. Now I got the carbon fiber quick release here, and you will need some of these bolts to screw down your wheel. These are NRG ones, so I had these ones for a long time, and the Allen key that comes with it should be able to work for these. All right, I did not get to put this ring on because, as you can see, I tried, but it just needs extended ones. All right, if you want to put that on, I mean, to me it looks good just like that. Give me a sec, guys. Enjoy a beer while you work. Cheers. Anyways, let's go ahead and try to fit this wheel on and see how. Snap. Yeah. Snap. Snap. Perfect. So that's how it looks. Straight as ever. Alright? Perfect. That's how you install a quick release onto your car, guys. Just follow those steps. If you do want to hook up the horn, there is a video on YouTube. Plenty of videos on YouTube how to do it. Maybe in the future I will. But for now, this will be it, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time. I'll see you guys later with another video. I don't know what I'm going to be doing here in the future. It could be anything. I got a bunch of parts just sitting in the room waiting to go on this car. It's just time and the weather. I don't like working in the cold. But anyways, guys, till next time. Peace out.